Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have an unboxing for you. This is a miniature dollhouse kit from Craftibly. A lot of us know Craftibly for their awesome diamond painting kits. They have now started selling miniature dollhouse kits. Look at this. It's so cute. It's like a little cat cafe. So adorable. So they also have some beginner friendly kits. This is probably not going to be too hard, but like beginner friendly kits. Like I just finished the theater, which is more like a 10. It's like this big. I don't know. If you watch my Wednesday streams, then you can see that I'm working on it there. Also posted the completed 10 online. Oh, so yeah, this is what the box looks like. On this side, it shows that it does come with a dust cover. And again, this will be linked in the description below. A few of us are doing this work along kind of miniature kit event thing. So tune in on Wednesdays at 7:30 Central for my live streams, and you can watch me work on it. So this is going to be the first time I'm opening this. We're going to dig into it here. Just going to take out the elements here. Oh, look at the toolkit. Okay, this one actually might be bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Holy moly. Okay, I'm gonna set the box aside here. Okay, so I have this wooden base that's kind of just out and about, and looks like another bag of larger wooden pieces. Look, that's A. So anything in the instructions that has to do with A, that's where I'll find it in the bag. Pretty simple. All right, we got this little kit. Oh my gosh, look at the little cat heads. And there's little fishies. Looks like I'd be cutting around the border of it. Oh, how cool is that? See little paw prints, a tiny little ladder looking thing. Oh, that is too cute. Okay, here it looks like we have two different kinds of glues. I'm not sure. Oh boy. Look at this. This has lots of tiny little pebbles in there. Looks like some rocks, a battery pack. Let's see what's in here. Little decorations. Super cute. This bag is, I don't think it says. Oh, it says on each individual bag. So this bag contains multiple little bags. Yeah, see, look at that. This is F. I got you. Wonder what those are for. Look at the tiny little, huh. Okay. Yeah, these. It's like tiny little lampshades, some wire that we probably are gonna have to bend. We have this one. Oh, look at the kitty cat. There's cats in there. I'm sorry about the glare. Another cat. Oh, you guys, this is going to be fun. Okay, this looks like it's gonna be the wiring kit. This is J, some sandpaper. So a lot of these, if you have to cut out the wood pieces, you can use the sandpaper to make it smoother edges. Okay, we'll look at the toolkit last. Okay, this is in bubble wrap. This looks like it's gonna be the base. Now, actually, this might be, yeah, this is the dust cover. You can tell by the little covering on this end and this end. So you'll peel those off, and that'll be the dust cover. Now this is probably the base. I mean, I guess I don't know for sure until I look at the instructions. Got another thing to glue. So this looks like it's just extra one of these glues. I'm not sure what this is. One might be for regular adhesive, and one might be for, like, you know, gluing wood. Now I personally like to use this kind of glue. It's a 3-in-1. You can buy it from like Amazon, but I do like that they send glue with the kits. Now, one thing just off the bat that, like, I notice is how big this book is. Usually they're not so big. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it comes with, what is this? I don't know, something tells me probably shouldn't use that. Or lose that, I mean. Okay, here we have the material list, which kind of helps you take inventory before you start. and it tells you in each bag what you should have. Oh geez, there's a lot of material lists. Here we go. That's another one. These are little templates that you usually have to cut out, and these are also labeled. It's based on your instructions. Oh look, I found the grass, guys. Found the grass. Oh, and the tile flooring. Makes total sense. Now, here's the big thing with miniature kits. We gotta make sure. What, more? Hello? Hello, are you my mother? These are like probably stickers. Look, it's another piece. Sorry, that's like my favorite sound. Oh, look at this. Are these like templates? I think they are. I think these are like templates. So this, you can take these little parts here and you can put them, they should be perfect in size to kind of help you take inventory and let you know which piece is which. So like since the like F0605 is pretty similar to F0606, you can take a little piece of wood and you can like line it up to make, you know, see exactly which one it is. So that's really neat. Okay, now what I was saying. The big thing that is like important to people when they're doing miniature houses is how easy are the instructions to follow. So I'm going to take a closer look at this. This has tips for assembling. This is saying that those wooden templates here, I don't know if I can dig them back out, these, that we're going to have to take a knife and just lightly cut them out. Now you can see here, like this cat already popped out, you know, so you don't have to like per se actually cut them out, but you kind of go along the grooves that it has, like you see here. So that's not so bad. Here it's talking about the electricity because there are lights. Let's see, contents. Oh no, follow me to start. Oh, that's cute. About the use of glue. So it says method for using glue. After applying the glue, let it dry for a few seconds before pasting. Yes, I have noticed that too. Plain printing, paper piece to waste card, telephone card could be. So little tips and tricks here. And they give you a thumbnail version of the material list. Okay. Oh, so it just dives right in here. So look at this. This is telling us how to assemble. Looks like a table and chairs. So these kind of instructions are what I like because right here it tells you what you're going to need for the specific project, right? So like it tells you we're going to be making a table and 2 chairs. And to make that, you're going to need B01, B02, and 2 B03s. So if you are the type that likes to kit up these things, you can get a separate tiny baggie and you can go ahead and assemble, like find those things and put those things together in different little baggies. That way when you go to work on it, you can do that so quickly. Look at these. See, look, here's another one. Tells us that we're going to be making a teapot and a little whatever that thing is. And to do that, we need all these things. And then next to it, it tells you exactly what you're going to be gluing together to make those things. I love how big this book is. I really do. Oh my gosh, we're going to make a cat tree. Look at that. We're going to make a cat tree. Yes, we are. This is totally right up my alley. For those who don't know, I have like 10 million cats. 10 million and a half. Just kidding. And the dreaded plants. So these instructions do look like they are going to be easy to follow. Oh, look, we're going to wrap a wooden cat head in like felt fabric. How cool is that? Easy instructions for the plants. I love it. Oh, there's where the fish outline comes in. The instructions seem extremely easy to follow. All right, I'm gonna get rid of this plastic piece over here. Oh, look, here's a better picture of what it's gonna look like. Oh, that is so adorable. And little close-ups of like the plants. Look at the kitty. Oh, this is so adorable. I am stoked to work on this. And this is what the dust cover it looks like with the dust cover and with a little light on. And then a little hideaway for the electrical, which is cool. So overall, if you count these as instructions, there's 22 pages of instructions. So this is about as big as that. It seems like it's about as long, like how long it will take, as the one I did with the house. Oh look, these little pieces. These, best sound ever. These are gonna go here to make it look like little pictures, like actual pictures, like with the glare and everything. That is so cool. I find this to be a little creepy, but maybe I'm just insane. Hello. I can see your soul. Anyway, all of these look awesome. Little fishy. There it is again. I can see your soul. Okay, we're gonna move on from that. Anyway, this looks awesome. This is just showing you how to assemble the dust cover. So I guess 23 pages. Anyway, so if you want to come join the festivities with the miniatures with us, you just comment below and I'll find a way to reach out to you. And we can get you in the group. It's really just a group of us that are like doing miniatures. A lot of them are doing it for the first time, kind of just reaching out and asking tips and tricks, and or if you don't understand an instruction per se, you know, we're just kind of helping each other out. So yeah, if you want in on that, just let me know. And I'm going to be starting this, well, this will post Wednesday, so it'll be today for you at 7:30 Central. So tune in every week Wednesday. I'll be working on this, probably a little bit off camera too. And oh, if you wanted a quick glance at the toolkit, it comes with little screwdrivers, some tweezers. This is to cut the little wood pieces, a ruler, and some scissors. Pretty cool. So they really do give you everything that you need. The glue thing is just a preference. I'm sure one is for the wood, one is for other pieces. So yeah, if you want to see me working on this, tune into the live streams. And if you can also follow me on social media like Instagram and Facebook, and I'll post my updates there. I can see your soul. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're brand new and hit the thumbs up button on your way out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.